Hello guys, this is Shivangi. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a study vlog and I hope you like this video. So let's get started. But before that, I would like to give you a disclaimer that this is just a very superficial day in my life wherein I'm being extremely productive. So you don't need to compare anything from this video to your life. Just take it with a pinch of salt and let's just begin. As everyone, I start my day with breakfast, and for breakfast I am today eating a paratha and making a coffee for myself, and I'm also making coffee for my sister because she's too lazy to make her coffee in the morning. I love beating my coffee with this frother because it just adds that good effect to my coffee, and I take some good amount of time doing this because I like my coffee to be perfect every single day. And I would definitely suggest this beater to you, and I got it from IKEA at a very good rate. It is around 250 rupees, so you can definitely buy this for yourself if you love coffee. Then I sat down to eat my breakfast, and today we had a heavy breakfast and we had some paratha, some sabji alongside, and while eating I was also watching one episode of K-drama because I love to watch something while eating. It kind of helps me to chew better, I would say, but whatever. I am watching a K-drama alongside my breakfast, and after that I straight away went to start my work, and the first thing that you need to do is make a to-do. So that is what I was doing, making a to-do list for today and all the things that I need to finish. Spoiler alert, I did not finish every single thing, but yes, I did something and it is better. Something is better than nothing. The first thing I started with was to make some notes from this module. I usually just study from the textbook for online exams, but I have a slightest doubt that maybe this year papers will be offline, so I don't want to take risk. That's why I'm making notes, because I will be very busy when the exam seasons will be going on, so I'm just preparing in advance. And by setting a timer, I keep my phone distraction away so that I don't get on my phone in between my study session. And I usually do 45 minutes studying and then I take 10 minutes break. So guys, now I'm doing some other subject because I finished one of my modules of some other subject. So now I'm doing computer network, which is the hardest subject for me because it's totally theoretical, and now I am going to study that chapter from YouTube, and I will do it right now and make notes because I can't study from my textbooks as it is very lengthy and boring. After that, my mom had made chole bhature for that day, but I asked her that if I could make the bhatures today, so she allowed me and I was making bhatures. I love chole bhatures, and you can see that I don't have good skills at making a round bhatura, but it doesn't matter. Bhatura can be of any shape. It tastes good in all shapes, and now I will dive it in hot oil, and that's how you will get a fluffy bhatura. After eating my very heavy lunch, I just straight away went to do some laptop work, actually some coding work, because I did not want to sleep. And here I'm completing a project, a very small project and very easy one, because I'm learning something and I'm side by side trying to implement it, and it is a good way to practice and know how much you're understanding and how much you're not. So you might have a question that why am I not studying in my room and on my table? Because my sister has her final exams going on and she needs to study like almost 14 hours a day, and that is what I let her do it without any disturbance, because she has a lot to study and I can shoot anywhere in the house. So now I'm sitting in my brother's room, and here I was just doing some coding work. I like to side by side take down notes too. Guys, after 2 hours I have finished coding, and I only did half of the project that I was supposed to do, and now my camera battery is dying. I'll go charge the battery and then I'll shoot something for my reels and also for the video. So while the battery gets charged, I'll watch some K-drama. In the evening I thought of organizing my closet, because it's something that I have been procrastinating to do, and since I had a lot of time and I was also shooting today, so I thought of doing it, and it made me feel good. Organizing and cleaning stuff is something which is very important to me, and it gives me a sense of accomplishment, and I feel happy after I am able to organize something really well. After this, I sat down to complete some other homeworks of some other subjects, and this is an endless cycle. You can never have zero homeworks in college, because some or the other day you have some pending work, and that is what I'm trying to finish over here. And my sweetest sister cooked some pasta for me, and I was eating that pasta and completing all the homework. Now, after doing the homework, I asked my mom again if I could make some dinner, and I was making my favorite recipe. This is the onion egg masala, and it tastes so good. It is not a gravy recipe. It has a very, what can I say? It has a very thick consistency, and it best tastes with roti, and it is really yummy. If you eat egg, you should definitely try this recipe. I will link it in the description box if you want. And I'm continuously looking in my phone because I'm following a recipe from YouTube, and
you could be my only one, or you could be all the boys I know. All the games you made for me got me thinking if you're okay. my book just like the colors. Got me feeling alive. In my mind it's like butterflies over again.
And luckily the recipe turned out to be so good, everyone loved it. And that's it. If you have watched this video till here, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.